Look closely at these faces. They look like real people, don't they? You can see the skin texture, the hair, the lighting. But here is the shocking truth. None of these people exist. They were imagined and generated from scratch by a specific type of artificial intelligence called a GAN. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are decoding a popular term in generative AI, GANs, or Generative Adversarial Networks. This is the technology behind deepfakes, realistic art generation, and restoring old photos. But how does it actually work? It's actually a competition between two AIs. The easiest way to understand a GAN is to imagine a game of cat and mouse between an art forger and an art detective. First, you have the forger. Their goal is to paint a fake Van Gogh painting that looks so real, it fools the expert. Second, you have the detective. Their job is to look at the painting and decide, is this real or is it a fake? When the training starts, the forger is terrible. They throw random paint on the canvas. The detective sees it and says, fake. That looks nothing like art. But here is the magic. The forger learns from that rejection. They try again. They get a little better. The detective checks again. They do this thousands of times. The forger gets better at faking, so the detective has to get smarter at checking. Eventually, the forger becomes so good that the detective can no longer tell the difference. In technical terms, the forger is called the generator. It generates the new data. The detective is called the discriminator. It judges the data against real examples. Because they are fighting against each other, or are adversaries, we call this a generative adversarial network. So why do we use this? 1. Super resolution. We can take old, blurry photos and use GANs to fill in the missing details to make them 4K quality. 2. Style transfer. We can turn a video taken during the day into a night scene. 3. Creating data. Scientists use it to create medical data for research without using real patient info. GANs are powerful because they learn by competing. It's basically practice makes perfect applied to machines. If you found this explanation helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex AI topics. See you in the next video.